Hello everybody, this is Atoshi and welcome back to the channel Atoshi'sEdulore English for All. I am back after a long gap with some more episodes on idioms, and today's idiom is let the cat out of the bag. Yes, let the cat out of the bag means to reveal a secret unknowingly or mistakenly. We will not let the cat out of the bag until it is finalized. Until we finalize the plan to throw a party, we are not going to reveal it to anyone. So we are not going to let the cat out of the bag. She let the cat out of the bag and told everybody about her plans. Unknowingly, she told about the plan to everybody. She revealed the secret. So what did she do? She let the cat out of the bag. I'm getting your sister new pair of earrings. But please, don't let the cat out of the bag. So don't tell the secret to her that I'm going to get new pair of earrings for her. She didn't look surprised at all. I think somebody must have let the cat out of the bag. Oops, I didn't mean to let the cat out of the bag. I am terribly sorry. When you mistakenly reveal a secret which you should not have, then you mistakenly let the cat out of the bag. So next time when you mistakenly reveal a secret, you can use the idiom let the cat out of the bag. Now you have a new word in your vocabulary bag. Now quickly frame a sentence and write it below. I'll be again back with a new idiom. Till then, take care, bye-bye, and yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.